You ever wonder why gas is so popular with chefs in commercial kitchen? It's because gas heats the pan fast, heats the food fast, and the chef has precise control over the cooking process. Well, what a lot of people don't know is that more and more chefs are switching to induction cooking for those very same reasons and more. Now, the folks at Gasland gifted me this dual zone induction cooktop so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the features, give you the measurements, and I'm going to give you a brief explanation of how induction cooking works and why I think it's a lot better than an electric stove. This Gasland 1800-watt dual zone induction cooktop operates on 120 volts, so that means you can plug it into any regular outlet in North America. And here's a quick tip. If a magnet will stick to your pan, you're good to go. Now let's take a quick look at this portable cooktop. Now the reflection from the lighting doesn't do it justice, but this thing has a sleek glass surface with a premium look and feel. You get 9 temperature settings and 8 power levels, so you can slow cook stews, soups, sear steaks perfectly, or boil water in no time. Each burner has its own timer plus a child lock to keep the little ones safe. And here's another great feature. When you remove the pan, the heat source shuts off automatically. In fact, if no pan is detected, it won't even turn on. Think about how many times you've left a burner on, especially with an electric stove. Not an issue here. Because it's portable, you can just about use it anywhere, on the counter, in an RV, or even while camping. As I mentioned earlier, I believe induction cooking is much better than standard electric ranges, especially the most popular ones with glass tops. With a glass top, the element has to heat the glass, then heat the pan, then heat the food, wasting energy and time and putting extra heat into your kitchen. All right, so here's the deal with induction cooktops. They use electromagnets to heat the pan directly. Under the glass surface is a coil that creates a magnetic field. And when you set a pan made of iron or steel on it, that magnetic energy turns into heat right in the pan. The cooktop itself stays cool. It's super efficient, heats up fast, and it's a lot safer since there's no open flame or red hot burner. If you're shopping for an induction cooktop, this one's a solid choice. Thanks for watching.